In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 9 EMA on Thinkorswim. We'll walk through adding the 9-period exponential moving average, or 9 EMA, to your chart in a clear, simple way. The 9 EMA is a popular momentum line that reacts quickly to price changes, making it useful for spotting short-term trends and potential entries or exits. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load, then head to your chart. If you're not already on a chart, click on Chart so you can see the price action for the symbol you're analyzing. Any time frame will work. The 9 EMA adapts to whatever you choose. At the top of the platform, click on Studies, then click on Edit Studies. This opens the Studies window, where you can browse all available indicators on the left and see what's already applied to your chart on the right. In the search field inside this window, enter Expo. That's a quick way to filter the list down to exponential moving averages. From the results, click on Move AVG Exponential. This is the study Thinkorswim uses for EMAs of any length, including the 9 EMA. Next, click on Add Selected. You'll see Move AVG Exponential appear in your added studies list on the right, and a preview will show on the chart. By default, this study commonly uses a 9-period setting, which aligns with our goal of setting up the 9 EMA. If your preview line looks responsive and snug to price, that's exactly what you want for a short-term EMA. Now drag it to lower. This places the Move AVG Exponential in a lower pane beneath your main price chart, which some traders prefer to keep the price area clean. Placing it lower can help you compare it to other subgraph indicators or simply view it with more space. You'll still see how it moves relative to price, just separated visually. If you want to adjust where it lives after seeing it on the chart, again click on Studies and click on Edit Studies to reopen the panel. With Move AVG Exponential selected in your added list, click on Move. This lets you change its position, either returning it to the upper price pane or keeping it in the lower area, so your layout matches your preference and workflow. That's it. You've opened Thinkorswim, gone to your chart, used Studies and Edit Studies, typed Expo, chosen Move AVG Exponential, clicked Add Selected, dragged it to lower, and then used Studies, Edit Studies, and Move to fine-tune its placement. You now have a clean 9 EMA ready to help you visualize short-term momentum on any chart you open.